You can create custom traffic animations using the spline tool. Let's animate the train. First, draw a spline path. When you're ready, click Done at the top of the screen or right-click. If you need to reposition the points, select Edit. To apply the changes, press Done once again. Then, select the train and assign it to the spline. If you want to correct the position of the train, use the transformation settings. Once the train is assigned, you'll have access to settings that control its speed, position, and behavior along the spline. You can choose whether the vehicle should loop, stop at the end, or disappear once it reaches the end of the path. The extrapolation option allows the train to continue moving beyond the defined spline. You can also assign multiple vehicles to a single spline, perfect for adding motion and realism to urban or transportation scenes. When you press play, the train will follow the path automatically during playback.